Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that by the end of this video you will have gotten the gist of who I am, what I'm about, what the channel is about, and that you will click that subscribe button and join this amazing family. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome to another video. So let's just have a little bit of conversation morning, and I just felt like I should make this video. I haven't made a video in quite some time because I had issues with my camera and such, so I just got it fixed then. So thank God now we're here. But today I wanted to talk about change and embracing change. I'm currently going through a season where even as I speak, I don't know if you can tell, but my energy is just pretty low. And that's because I feel like I'm in a season where there's so much change happening, and there are quite a few people that are leaving my life or just are not going to be around. And it's not a very nice experience, to be honest, because I don't do very well with change. Like, such change is not really desirable for me. But I just had a thought and I felt like I should share this with you guys. Change is good. Change is good, and we need to learn to embrace it. Why? Because change allows you to explore something different. Change allows you to step out of your comfort zone, and it gives you a chance to either try something new, find out new things about yourself, or just to get out of your comfort zone, which is always a good idea. Sometimes you need to allow yourself to be uncomfortable for you to get to a point where you're like, oh, okay, this is not so bad. Or you have to allow yourself to be uncomfortable for you to get to a place of comfort. That's a story for another day. But in this case, for me, the change is good because I think I was getting a bit too comfortable with how things were, and I was getting too familiar with the space that I was in. I was getting too maybe even dependent on the people that I actually built connection with, that I say are leaving, right? Leaving not on bad terms, but leaving to go and explore themselves. They're going through a change, and I can only imagine what that change means for them and how uncomfortable it is for them. But basically the point of this video is to encourage you to embrace that change. Change is not something that we can stop. Life is not going to remain as it is forever. And at some point, you're going to get to a point where you have to either change jobs, relocate, you're going to lose friends, relationships are going to end, stuff like that is going to happen. And life is just evolving. Life is evolving. Life is about embracing the things that are out of the norm. I'm at a point now where, yes, it hurts that these people are leaving, and it hurts that, I have to go through this season again of, change, readjusting and stuff like that. But the good thing about it is that with change and the discomfort comes with new opportunities, opportunities to explore and to grow. And it's bittersweet. It's not something that is going to kill me. It's not something that is going to break me. And even if it does break me, I will come back to myself, and maybe I'll even become a better person. So I just wanted to make this video to share those thoughts with you guys and share my experience and just encourage you to allow change to happen. There's nothing we can do. Change will always come, whether we're ready, whether we're not. It doesn't matter. Life has to change, things have to evolve, and that's just how it is. So it's uncomfortable, but sometimes you need to allow yourself to be uncomfortable for you to get to a place of comfort. For you to be comfortable, you need to be uncomfortable. Allow yourself to be uncomfortable. Embrace change. Those friendships that might be ending are ending for a reason. You're stepping into a new season, and maybe those people are just not meant to be a part of that season. That relationship is ending. It might have been a very long relationship, and all of a sudden, hell, and you're wondering what is going on. But there's always a reason for whatever season that you're in, and just take time to sit in that change and embrace it and allow it to happen and allow it to unfold into what it needs to become. We're constantly evolving, even just the world and how we do things. Everything is not the same as it was 10 years ago. And that's just how life is. We just keep another change. We just keep, shedding some, old skin. We shed weight and we let go of certain things because we can't carry that weight into the new season that we're going into. So stuff like that, it's bound to happen, and it's okay. It's uncomfortable, but it won't be uncomfortable forever. If you're going through a season of change yourself, like I am, be encouraged today. You are going through the season of change, but you're stepping into a new chapter. You're stepping into a new season of your life, and you're becoming a new person, or you are probably going to discover new things about yourself. It's okay. Change is okay. Let it happen. And if it breaks you, it's okay. Allow yourself to break. You will be put back together as you should for the new season. I feel lighter talking about that because I literally, just before I turned on the camera, I literally was breaking down because, like I said, I don't do very well with change, but I know that I have to just embrace it, and I have to just enjoy the process, as uncomfortable and painful as it might be. I'm going to leave you guys with the scripture, Ecclesiastes 3, which talks about a time for everything. That is the word that is keeping me going, and it's reminding me that, you know what, everything has its time. Everything has its time, and right now, this is an ouch season, but the good thing is that there is going to be fun times. There are going to be moments to laugh, moments to dance, and right now we just embrace the season that we're in. We take it, we accept it, we find the beauty in it. So Ecclesiastes 3, please go check it out, go read it. I'll put it somewhere on the screen so that you can pause, maybe screenshot it, or you can just go read it for yourself. And I hope that you find encouragement from it as I have. Anyway, now that that's off my chest, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you got to this point, please leave a comment and just say change is good, with either a peace sign. Change is good with a peace sign. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, just to let me know that you did enjoy it. Comment down below, like I said. Also let me know, what season are you going through right now, if you're comfortable sharing, that is. And subscribe if you haven't already, and join this amazing family. Share this video with someone you might feel needs to hear it, and let them know that we hang out here every now and then. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.